Jeff Thomas here with a quick market update. The S&P 500 fell slightly for the month of June, but it certainly hasn't been a sleepy start to the summer. SpaceX launched its IPO to great fanfare, trading up over 50% before coming back to Earth. Oil prices dropped over 20% over continued hopes that the Strait of Hormuz will fully open. And before the fireworks for America's 250th anniversary, the new Fed chair, Kevin Warsh, set off fireworks of his own with a surprisingly hawkish tone. Let's take a break from looking at our busted World Cup brackets and turn our attention to where the three dials dashboard stands now. While the popular chip stocks are in a trading range, other segments of the market have picked up the slack. Small caps were up 4% for the month. Therefore, the charts continue to look good, and our technical dial continues in the positive position. A weak jobs report and falling workforce participation help explain why consumer sentiment is still weak. Warsh is in a tough spot with pressure from the White House to cut rates, while deficit spending is inherently inflationary. Higher interest rates have been sticky. Our economic dial continues in the negative position. Well, there are clearly some very exciting things happening in technology. There's likely to be a gap between the infrastructure build out and the increased earnings that result from the implementation. With stocks at record valuations, our valuation dial continues in the negative position. With one dial positive and two negative, it's like the market is playing on a yellow card in the World Cup. Caution is warranted. We hope you had a meaningful 4th of July on this landmark anniversary of our great nation. And as always, thank you for your trust.